GTA 6 is almost here, and if you want to experience it in all its next-gen glory, you're going to need serious hardware. In this video, we're breaking down the must-have gaming PCs of 2025 that are built to handle Rockstar's most ambitious game yet. From smooth 1080p gameplay to ultra-detailed 4K chaos, these machines are ready, are you? Let's jump in. CyberPowerPC Gamer Extreme VR, Intel i9-1490F plus RTX 5070 Ti. When you want brute force performance, this build delivers. With an Intel Core i9-149F, GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, and 32 GB DDR5 memory, you'll experience GTA 6 with maxed out textures, ray tracing, and DLSS without compromise. A 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD ensures you never wait through loading screens. And Wi-Fi readiness plus Windows 11 Home make this a plug-and-play powerhouse for 8AA gaming, streaming, and beyond. Panorama RTX 5090 plus Ryzen 9 9900X, the ultimate GTA 6 rig. This is the dream machine, powered by the Ultra Beast NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU and AMD Ryzen 9900X. This setup is built for 4K 120 plus FPS gameplay with ray tracing cranked all the way up. You're getting 96 GB of DDR5 RAM, dual 2TB NVMe Gen 4 SSDs, and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E with Bluetooth 5.4. Whether you're live streaming, modding, or running GTA 6 at full settings with AI-enhanced graphics, this PC doesn't blink. It's the best 2025 has to offer, and it looks just as fast as it runs, thanks to its dazzling RGB case. VRLA Tech RTX 5060 Ti plus Ryzen 55600X gaming PC. Looking for a solid entry point to play GTA 6 at high settings without breaking the bank? This VRLA Tech build features the GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, paired with a Ryzen 55600X, giving you more than enough horsepower for 1080p and even 1440p high gameplay at high to ultra settings. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, you'll get fast load times and smooth multitasking. The 600-watt PSU and RGB case wrap it up as a budget-friendly yet capable setup for casual and competitive players alike. Skytech Rampage RTX 5070 Ti plus Ryzen 7970X. For those who want GTA 6 to look as stunning as it plays, the Skytech Rampage packs a serious punch. It features an NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti with 16 GB of next-gen GDDR7 VRAM and a Ryzen 7970X processor capable of boosting up to 5.5 GHz. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB Gen 4 SSD, expect blazing performance and zero lag in high-density cityscapes. The 850-watt gold PSU, 360mm ARGB AIO cooler, and vibrant RGB setup make this a gamer's dream for ultra-smooth 1440p and 4K gameplay. Whether you're just diving into GTA 6 or want the absolute best for cinematic modded gameplay, there's a perfect PC waiting for you. Find all the links in the description and drop a comment with your dream GTA 6 setup. It's time to upgrade your rig and hit the streets of Los Santos in style.